And there really is a camcorder inside.
Welcome, stranger.
Existen objetos que nunca debieron ser encontrados, cosas que el tiempo, la naturaleza o el simple olvido intentaron olvidar para siempre. Pero algunas historias insisten en ser escuchadas. Hace unas semanas, un hombre que exploraba una zona boscosa cerca de su ciudad encontró algo inusual. Entre hojas húmedas y tierra, un equipo de video y dentro, una cinta VHS vieja, sin etiquetas, solo plástico oscuro, como si hubiera estado allí por muchos años.
And it's still here. I didn't touch it earlier because like, people were around, but look at this. A VHS camcorder box, just it's heavy, thrown in to this burn pile. And I don't know how long it's been there. It could be like today for all I know. Yeah. I set it down on this concrete here to open up. Hold on. I need two hands to actually open the thing. And there really is a camcorder inside. It's a multimeter. It's a brand new multimeter. Some cables. I have no idea what this thing is. And then there's actually a camcorder, which looks to still have a tape inside. It's missing a screw, too. Yeah, there's definitely still a tape in there. You see that? All right. Turn it on first. It powers on. You can hear it, but like, hold on. Oh, there we go. Hold on. You can see in the viewfinder, it gets power when I like hold. You can see the light here flashes. See? But that doesn't stay. So it's either dead or damaged. I'm gonna go with the second option. This thing is in rough shape. I am really fucking curious about what's on that. You know what? I'm gonna take this to my dorm. I'm gonna see if I can tear this thing apart and get at that tape. Because now I really fucking want to know what was worth throwing this thing into a burn pile. Come on. There we go. Ah, shit. This part that's exposed is probably ruined. Okay. Shit. All right. Here we go.
Posiblemente hasta este punto te des cuenta que no existe mayor problema. Posiblemente solamente se trata de alguien que encontró una pieza olvidada en el bosque. Pero lo que verás a continuación te dejará con la piel helada.
See what's on this. Wait, what? Hold on. What the fuck? What the fuck? Take the battery out. Let's see if it's like a transient tape or something. All right. Okay. Okay. Fuck. There's gotta be like a transmitter or something inside here. So the camera is basically playing live to the VHS tape, which is an analog storage medium. Even if it was like some weird digital shit, it's still like the camera's disassembled. I don't fucking understand. There's nothing out of the ordinary. It's just so fucking weird. I set the camera up in front of the TV. It's like this whole kaleidoscope thing. Look at this. When I put my hand in, like, you see that? It like distorts and bends around my hand. Let me get a better look at it. You see? It's not normal. And I'm genuinely fucking stumped. It's like, look at that. Whoa. It's like some weird ass black hole. Let me turn the lights off for this. Yeah, I've basically taken everything out. Like, I've taken the tape out, the battery out, cover. And it's still somehow casting to my closed circuit, not internet connected TV from a VCR, from a tape. Literally just a VHS tape. And when I point it at the screen, it pulses like this. I'm so fucking confused right now. It's like, I'm just gonna zoom in. Just off the camera a bit. What does that sound? Oh jeez, what the fuck? That's the camcorder in my room.